Hello and welcome to the C-Zentrix Solution Guide series. Today we will demonstrate how one can use C-Zentrix Telephony Bar, which is a CTI plugin of our standalone dialer solution, with a third-party CRM like Salesforce. During the video, we will be covering the basic UI and the feature which are there in the solution after the integration. The screen you are looking right now is the agent login screen, and you have to feed your credentials to log in the same. Now we can move forward just by clicking on the login as credentials is already there. We are using the lightning version of Salesforce. We are right now on the CRM page of the Salesforce. So with this video, we will not cover so much about the Salesforce part, but the basic integration what we have done within the CZ bar, the CZantic dialer and the Salesforce, it will be covering the same. As you can see on the left hand corner side, there is a phone button available. There's a widget which we have integrated. So as soon as you click on this, you will see a C-Zentrix bar dialer available over there, which is automatically logged in, which is the SSO which we have done. So single sign. Right? Now you can see there's an agent ID is available on the CZ bar, which is the agent ID of the same user. Currently, we are in a progressive mode where we are waiting for any type of incoming call or the call which should be placed by the CRM like a progressive outbound type of dialing. We are waiting for the same. If you want to change the mode, you can do it from here. So you can change the mode to preview to the progressive one. You can take the breaks from here for the dialer itself, or you can take a break from the basic CRM also. We have an option of conferencing also over here. So as you can see, we are on the main screen of the Salesforce and our dialer is very much visible on the left hand corner. If I try to dial any number from here, what I'm trying to showcase over here is the CRM pop-up where if any lead is being dialed, either it's calling as an incoming number or it has a progressive outbound or as a preview manual dialing, which I'm doing right now. If I click on this number, what my service will do, it will call to the Salesforce API, which will say, yeah, this number is calling me. Kindly share all the information related to that on the page, and you will see a background page will automatically refresh. So as you can see, the complete lead information which has been associated with this number is being shown on the page. You can now just minimize the page. You can work on the complete lead part, and you can close the lead. You can make it a hot lead, warm lead. You can do it on the Salesforce page. The same task can be done otherwise also. Like if I just close this call, and if I just mark it as a disposition if I want to give, or any remark if I want to give, I just can give it, and I just set a set disposition, and the same disposition can be set on the CRM also, and we have a disposition sync API for the same. So the same disposition sync API will sync the data of the CRM and the dialer all together. So you can export the report from the admin panel of the telephony also, and you can export the same from the Salesforce admin part, right? So I just disconnect the call from here, and I will be very much available to take again a new number or the new call. Now, if I go back on the home page, and just start searching about some leads. So if I go to the lead part, there are two leads which are available right now. So if I see on the lead part, I can directly have an option of click to dial. If I click on this number from the lead bucket, the the call will automatically be in place. So you can see the call is being taken care of over here in the dialer, and you can see it is in the queue, and I'm receiving the call. This is how the two feature which I have explained. The very first is that if there is any incoming call, the CRM pop-up will handle the same, and if there is a click to dial, my dialer will handle the same scenario. If he will dial it, it will dial it from there. The basic functionalities are already explained: to transfer the call, to do it conference, or to dispose the call, and the same can be taken can from the CRM itself. So these are the two to three functionality which I have showcased: the CRM pop-up first, the click to dial, the disposition sync, and the single sign-on, which is the in very first we have seen that the agent and the ID of the CRM is binded. Right. In addition to this, what we have is like if you open this lead and if you want to check when is the last time this particular customer has contacted, you can see a log of call. Now, currently for this log of a call, we require the API to be enabled from the Salesforce development team. If they provide us the API, we can provide you the complete log of the details, which will state that at what time the call is connected, to which agent the call is connected, and the complete description of the call, what has happened on that call with the remark, with the ring time and everything. Right. In addition to that, if you want to replicate the data of here, for the CRM to our dialog, that can also be taken care by the API, and we can do the same. In addition to this, we also have a voice logger API. So in the voice logger API, a recording of this call will be a soft link for the recording of the call will be provided on the Salesforce platform. So as the same way you're looking into the call log over here, in the same manner you will see a link also for that particular call, which is very much helpful to the other agents who are connected with this lead or account in future. Right. So these are the five functionalities or six functionality which I am stating again. The very first is the single sign-on. The second is the click-to-call feature. The third is the CRM pop-up, where any incoming call comes, it will automatically tag that, yeah, this is the user. If you have duplicacy, it will show you which on which lead you want to work. If the same number contains two type of leads, it can show you the option that which lead you want to work on, so you can select it from there. The fourth option is of the disposition sync, where you can dispose the call, and in the both way we can sync the data on the dialer or to the CRM. The fifth one is the call log API, which will be like we take it from the client for the Salesforce, and we configure it in our system, and it will showcase you the complete data or the session record of that call. The sixth one is the voice logger, which will share you the complete soft link of that call recording, and the call recording will be available on your CRM. This is a complete setup which we do with the integration of our CZ bar, and basic functionality of the dialer is already available within this. Any feature enhanced in the dialer part can be done from the admin panel. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the time.